Are you looking for an executive home with more than 3,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, with a possible 5th bedroom home office flex space, located in the private, exclusive gated community of the Legacy Estates, and only steps to the only private golf course in Simi Valley? Welcome to 154 Golden Glen. My name is Larry Watson with Larry Watson Homes at RE/MAX, and I'd love to show you this property. Come on in, let's take a look around. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this home. This home is located at 154 Golden Glen Drive, Simi Valley 93065 in the Legacy Estates Wood Ranch. This home is 3,021 square feet with 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and a possible 5th bedroom home office flex space. Featuring the best floor plan in the Legacy Estates with high ceilings, open kitchen, stainless appliances, large lot, and a 4-car garage. For more information or a private tour, feel free to give me a call. The number is 805-660-8219. I'm never too busy to take your call. Hashtag Larry Watson Homes. Find me everywhere on the internet. And remember, strategy matters, experience matters, but you matter most. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.